Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to know if your MacBook Pro is charging. So it's pretty easy, so let's jump in right into the video. If you want to know your MacBook Pro is charging or not, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you've plugged in your charger for your MacBook Pro. Once you've done that, look for the battery icon in the menu bar at the top right corner. As you can see it at the top right here, if you see a little lightning bolt symbol, then it means that the power cable has been plugged into your MacBook Pro and your MacBook Pro is now charging. Similarly, if you don't see any lightning bolt icon, then it means your charger is not plugged in and your MacBook Pro is not charging currently. If you are low on battery, make sure that your charger is plugged in and it is showing up a green indicator in your charging cable. So that is how you will be able to know if your MacBook is charging or not. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.